The first step in good solid modeling is thinking about how you should approach each part. You will want to start looking for specific features. I encourage positive modeling. This means I like to model what's really there instead of making a lot of slices or cuts. I see two features of this part. First, I will extrude the shaded area from the front plane. Start a new part and confirm your IPS units. Start a new sketch on the front plane. Sketch the shape shaded using lines starting on the origin. Use the Smart Dimension tool to add and adjust the dimensions. I strongly encourage you to add the dimensions exactly the way they are given to you in the problem, making it easier to find mistakes. Use the Boss Extrude to give your sketch a thickness of 1.5 inches. Extrude away from you. Select the top face of the part and start a new sketch. Sketch the shaded square shape and add the given dimensions. I can attach my lines directly to these existing points, which allows the previous dimensions to control their positions. Extrude your sketch and use the up to surface direction and pick the inclined face. Now you will assign the material. Right mouse button on Material and select Aluminum and 6061 Alloy. Finally, use the Mass Properties tool on the Evaluate ribbon to determine the mass. You will enter 0.47 on the worksheet.